Hello everyone, welcome to this fun and educational video where we will create a set of cards to help children learn about the organs in our body. These cards are designed for both preschool and school-age children to make learning about human anatomy engaging and easy. First, let's talk about the materials you will need. Printed images of body organs, descriptions of each organ, scissors, glue or tape. Now, let's get started. Cutting out the cards. Begin by carefully cutting out the images of the body organs. Take your time to ensure each image is neatly trimmed along the edges. These images will represent the front side of our cards. Cutting out the descriptions. Next, cut out the descriptions. These explain what each organ is and what it does in our body. These descriptions will go on the back side of the cards. Attaching the descriptions now, take each image and its corresponding description. Using glue or tape, attach the description to the back of the image. Make sure they are aligned properly so that each card has an organ on one side and its explanation on the other. Let's go over the descriptions of each organ, which you will find on the back of your cards. Kidney. It is an organ of the excretory system that works to remove waste from the body. Found in pairs, they are located at the back of the abdomen, on either side of the spine. The kidneys filter blood, removing waste, which is then sent to the bladder as urine. Lung. A part of the respiratory system, there is one lung on each side of the chest. They facilitate the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. Oxygen from inhaled air passes into the blood from special sacs in the lungs, while carbon dioxide is expelled when exhaling. Bone. These are the parts that make up the skeleton. Found throughout the body, bones are hard, durable, and flexible due to the proteins and minerals they contain. They provide shape, protect internal organs, and enable movement. Red blood cells are also produced in the bone marrow of some bones. Skeletal muscle. Part of the support and movement system, these thread-like structures surround the body and are attached to bones. They work by contracting and relaxing, enabling movement, maintaining body temperature, and storing nutrients. Heart. It is part of the circulatory system, located in the chest between the lungs. The heart's right and left sections, each consisting of two chambers, pump carbon dioxide-rich blood to the lungs and oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. Stomach. A part of the digestive system located in the upper abdomen. The stomach contains acids and enzymes that help digest food. Its strong muscles contract and relax to mix food with digestive substances, turning it into a semi-liquid state before sending it to the intestines. Ear. The ear is responsible for hearing and balance. It consists of three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Sound waves enter through the outer ear, causing vibrations in the middle ear that are then transmitted to the inner ear, which sends signals to the brain. Skin. The largest organ of the body, skin protects internal organs, regulates temperature, and provides the sense of touch. It also helps prevent water loss and protects against harmful microbes and UV radiation. Brain. The control center of the body, the brain processes sensory information, regulates bodily functions, and enables thought, memory, and emotion. It is located in the skull and is connected to the spinal cord. Blood vessel. Part of the circulatory system, blood vessels transport blood throughout the body. They include arteries, veins, and capillaries, each serving to deliver oxygen and nutrients to tissues and remove waste products. Eye. The organ of sight. Eyes detect light and convert it into electrochemical signals sent to the brain. They consist of several parts, including the cornea, lens, and retina, all working together to produce vision. Esophagus. A muscular tube connecting the throat to the stomach. It transports swallowed food and liquids to the stomach for digestion through a series of coordinated muscle contractions known as peristalsis. Liver. A large organ located in the upper right abdomen. It processes nutrients absorbed from the digestive tract, detoxifies chemicals, produces bile, and stores energy in the form of glycogen. Pancreas, an organ in the digestive system that also functions as a gland. It produces digestive enzymes and hormones, including insulin, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Small intestine, a part of the digestive system located in the lower abdomen. It absorbs nutrients from digested food through its lining, which is covered in tiny hair-like structures called villi. Spinal cord, a long, thin, tubular structure made up of nervous tissue that extends from the brainstem down the spine. It transmits signals between the brain and the rest of the body and coordinates reflexes. Nose, the primary organ of the respiratory system, responsible for inhaling air, filtering out dust and pathogens, and detecting smells. It also warms and humidifies the air before it reaches the lungs. Tongue, a muscular organ in the mouth that aids in tasting, chewing, and swallowing food. It also plays a crucial role in speech and helps keep the mouth clean. Creating these cards and using them with your children can greatly benefit their understanding of the human body. By visualizing the organs and reading their functions, children can better grasp how their bodies work, fostering both curiosity and knowledge in a fun and interactive way. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with other parents and teachers. Let's make learning about the human body exciting for our children.